Take a look at this 2010 Holden Commodore.
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel.
The premium wheels add a stylish touch. This car has separate passenger temperature controls. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.